Hey there, how are you? Just hopping on with a little live today, just talking about manifestation. And, there's a few things I wanted to talk about today. And so please say hi if you are on live with me. And if you're on the replay, please say hi too, because I love to know that you're there. And today I want to talk about, there's a couple of things I want to talk about. And the first thing I want to talk about is vision. And I want to talk about why vision is important in manifesting. You see, without a vision, how does the universe know what you want? It just doesn't. If you haven't got a vision for your life and you're just going day to day, paycheck to paycheck in every day, just cruising along, and you're not taking time out to think, what do I want to create? What do I want my life to look like in 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 5 years? Like, where am I going? Because you see, your body is similar to a car. It is our vehicle for the soul, right? We have an amazing body that knows how to manifest everything that we want. We have a brain that keeps us safe and alive, right? And we have a subconscious that creates our reality. Yeah? It's super powerful. And so when you know how to drive your body, right, we'll put it that way, you will start manifesting things like crazy. Your life will change in miraculous ways. Just recently I helped someone through some coaching. We were working together and I was like, so what do you want to manifest now? And she's like, my own home. I'm like, okay. I'm not kidding you. Within, I think it was about 4 months, she had, she knew what she wanted. She knew where she wanted to live. She found a home, right? She found a home within 4 months of us discussing it in our sessions. Now, she bought that home, right? We set it all up. We manifested the home together. We worked through it. I pulled out all her blocks. We cleared all the blocks and she manifested fast, right? So by the January of the next year, she was in her home, right? 6 months later, she owned that $300,000 home because something lined up that brought the money in and it paid for her home, which she now owns. Mind you, this person that I worked with has a disability as well, right? Because that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's all about manifestation. Hi, Leanne. It's manifestation. It doesn't matter. You could have one leg, one arm. You mightn't be able to see. I don't know. Whatever it is, you are still capable of manifesting what you want. But you need a vision. You absolutely cannot manifest what you want without a vision, without asking. That is the first part of the process of manifestation. So now this lady is in her home and she owns it. And she is blown away because she just asked for what she wanted. And we peeled away everything that wasn't in alignment with that. And boom. And she got more than what she wanted. And along the way, I think, I don't know how much she manifested, like 80,000 or something towards the home from other people. And yeah, just amazing stuff. Yeah, so incredible, Leanne, like blows my mind. Just so cool. And it's so amazing to be able to help someone do that. Help someone to, from my perspective, to be able to help someone actually get what they want. the way I work with this stuff is I actually want to see you get results, right? I don't just do this for fun. It is fun, don't get me wrong, but I actually want to see you succeed, yeah? And so anyway, what I'm trying to say basically is the vision is so important. So let me know in the comments, do you have a vision? I want to know. And another thing I wanted to talk about is why we don't know our manifesting power. I will give you like a little, I'm just trying to think. Sorry, I'm trying to read Leanne's comment as well. Hang on. I absolutely do, Leanne. Yes, I do. And that's, yeah, I really, really do. I want to see my clients succeed because that's why I do what I do. I feel like I have come here in this time, in this space, in this reality to really help wake people up to their power, to their manifesting power, right? And what was I saying? So why people, and Leanne might know this, why do people not know their manifesting power? Why don't they? Why don't people know? You know? And the main reason, I'm just waiting to see if Leanne comments or anyone comments, the main reason people don't know it is you weren't taught it. You were taught everything but your power, right? Exactly, Leanne. Thank you. See, Leanne knew. I knew you knew. And yes, you were shut down. Exactly, Leanne. Totally shut down. And this is the patterns of society, right? But we need to change that. We need to start as humans accessing back our power. Like seriously, guys, your mind power is so powerful. I've picked up on a hill a 250 motorbike when I was about 18 years old and it conked out on a massive, like a hill like that, right? And this thing's 100 kilos or more. I'm on a hill. I'm only like 55 kilos or something. And my friend said to me, do you need help? I said, no, I'm going to do this. And I just said, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. And I watched this bike come up from the ground, stand up, and I'm talking on a hill like that, right? And I just kept saying in my mind, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Next thing, kick-started it on the hill and boom, 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 off I go up the hill. And as I got up the top, my friend was like, woohoo, you did it. And I'm like, I sure did. I used my mind, right? We are so powerful. And the only job for us to do now to access that power is to clear everything and anything that just is not in alignment with that, right? To move that away, you know, to reprogram ourselves, to heal our inner child, to be our own parent, to be our own cheerleader, right? To be our own healer, to be our own everything. Yeah, because you can, right? And so, you know, it's about really sort of connecting in and contacting that power that you have within. Leanne, I'll ask you, how much do you feel now that you're connected to your power? You've done a lot of work. And, you know, we're still always accessing. I mean, I'm always doing work on myself. I feel like it's hitting a tipping point now, though. Like it's really building some really serious momentum towards, you know, actually finally healing my stuff. Because the thing is when you can learn tools and things like that to stop what why the blocks build up in the first place, then as things come up, you can shift them faster instead of them building up so much that when you actually go to work on yourself and you're 35 years old, you've got 35 years of trauma to try and clear out, and it takes a long time. But if we can actually learn in the moment to start to clear and let ourselves feel and connect with our triggers and what's happening for us and become conscious creators and all that, things will start to flow much easier. Yeah, that's amazing, Leanne. That's really good. So connected, says Leanne. She's done the work. Leanne has done the work and still does the work. You know, it's not like she's just done it and then that's it. No, she continues to do the work. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Leanne's amazing. And Leanne, you're doing still the book publishing still. Put in the comments if you like what you're doing at the moment, because you never know. You never know who's watching and who might want to actually connect with you, and they should. So, yes, you are always doing the work. I know, you're amazing. So that's really what I wanted to really come in and talk about today, because they're really important points. And so making a vision for your life is so important. Clearing out old programming from the past is so important to access your power, your manifesting power, okay? And, yeah, that's the main thing I wanted to say today. And I wanted to connect with you all and see if you wanted to chat about manifesting, because I just love it. Actually, that was one thing I was going to say about manifesting, and I was going to say that it's, you know, manifesting isn't something, you know, woo-woo and, you know, maybe this is going to happen and maybe that's going to happen. No. Manifesting is science. It's what your body is designed to do, right? And you are doing it always. So you can choose to do it consciously or unconsciously. It's totally your choice. Me, I choose to do it consciously now, not unconsciously. I don't want to just get what's given. It's like having a meal and you just go to a restaurant, you go, give me whatever, and then you just get what you're given. No, no, no. What do you want? Because that's your choice. What you want is up to you, right? You can ask for that. And so it's not just some, and it is, I think it's magical in some sense, but it isn't just magic. It's science. It's energy. It's frequency. It's vibration. It's real. It's life. You just haven't been taught it. So if you stick around in this group, you'll be taught it. And you can always do some work with me, or I've got quite a few programs coming out. I'm doing a lot of work behind the scenes, bringing a lot of things together that are going to be coming out soon. I have just done activate your frequency of your manifestation now, little mini training. At the moment, it's $33. It's a 2-part training, very basic and easy, but powerful when you know these things. Really powerful to do. Yeah, really powerful. So I've got that happening at the moment, and I'm just doing up the 10K consistent, continuous cash months with ease energetic session, which is really cool. That's coming very soon. And that one, though, is $66, because that one is going to make you a lot of money, a ton of money. So it's a very valuable, it's a very valuable session. So yeah, there's a few things happening here. So look out in the group, and always feel free to post in the group any trouble you're having. I actually have I put in the posts, this anonymous post, so you can actually anonymously post if you don't feel comfortable posting. So that's another way to do it if you want to. Yes, Leanne has a new book coming out for soulful entrepreneurs. I'm so sorry. What's wrong with me? I can't speak. Who want to increase their income, impact, and leave a legacy. I love that. So anyone wanting to do that, connect with Leanne. She's amazing. Yeah, just amazing lady with her book stuff. Really good. So anyway, that's it for today. Let me know if you're on the replay. Let me know if you've got any little questions about what I've talked about. You can pop them in the comments, and hope you all have an amazing night. And yeah, Leanne says happy for anyone to PM her, which is awesome. Do it. You'll love it. I love working with Leanne. She's great. Alrighty, I'll talk to you all soon. Thanks, Leanne, for popping in. I love knowing that you're there. And yeah, and also, guys, I've got my YouTube channel that I'm doing lots of videos in there, lots of stuff about manifestation. You want to master manifestation, get in there, listen to the videos. There's a money manifesting one that's something that you should listen to quite a lot, like over the day, over and over and over again, saying the affirmations whilst you're just going around. You can just have it on your phone or something like that. And that will help you to start attracting more money into your life. It's totally free. So enjoy that, get into it, listen to it. All right, cool. Hope you have an amazing night. I'm saying it again, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.